Everything's out of focus.
Aren't you working?
Oh my god, it looks so weird to the camera. Taylor!
Did I do this?
No! Did I just ruin it? No. But I don't know what I'm doing with my camera. Oh, there it goes! I'm like, what the fuck is going on with my camera? But my eyes are burning! Because I freaking tore off all my eyelashes. What am I doing, Taylor? Taylor, what are you doing?
It looks so fucking trippy!
Dude, I don't know, but my shoulders hurt.
Where's my light?
What are you doing?
Bitch.
Alright, enough with the camera.